Have you ever opened a PDF and felt stuck copying messy text, missing tables, or losing half the data? What if ChatGPT could read and analyze your PDFs like a real assistant? Finding the best use cases can be tricky, so we researched and picked some of the most powerful ones. Today I'll show you how to unlock that power. Sometimes before a meeting, lecture, or course, we have only 10 minutes to get a clear summary of a file that would normally take 2 hours to read. And even then, it's hard to capture and organize all the key points. In this video, I'll show you 5 practical examples of how you can use PDFs with ChatGPT with 5 different types of information. The first example is the most common one, summarizing a long text into a short, clear overview. The second, reading contracts and agreements. The third is analyzing an income statement and charts to quickly find key financial information. The fourth example is reviewing a house floor plan to understand its layout and details. And the final example is working with infographics inside the PDF, extracting the main points without missing important data. Now we will walk through the 5 examples one by one, showing each in practice. Let's start by adding our PDF into ChatGPT. We can drag and drop the file, use the attachment option, or even connect our Google Drive or OneDrive account to pull documents directly. For the first example, let's use a Harvard Business Review article. It's very difficult to absorb the entire text in one go. I used to read the whole document once, then again, which took twice as long, and even then I probably capture only around 80% of the information. My new process is simpler. I read the text once, then give the file to ChatGPT and ask it to summarize. ChatGPT highlights the key ideas, which I can review quickly. So in roughly 1.1 times the effort, I achieve more than I would in 2 times, because ChatGPT ensures no critical points are missed. So let's attach the file and add a prompt like, summarize the 4 main qualities of the great leader from this text. And here is the precise answer. Here is another practical case. Imagine you are a consumer and you receive a huge PDF agreement. Instead of reading every clause line by line, upload the file to ChatGPT and simply ask, I am a consumer, summarize the agreement. In seconds, ChatGPT will highlight the key terms like payment conditions, responsibilities, or deadlines, so you can quickly understand the essentials without legal terms. Now let's move to the next example. Upload a financial report and ask ChatGPT to highlight key figures or explain charts in plain language. 2 useful prompts are the first one, show me the wages payable from this report. Everything is correct. And the second one, display the operation expenses as a pie chart. For the fourth example, imagine you are planning to buy or redesign a house. Instead of struggling with technical drawings, upload a PDF of the floor plan and ask ChatGPT to describe the layout. It can point out room sizes, flow between spaces, and even suggest potential adjustments. As a simple example, let's upload the file and ask, analyze this file and list the apartment options that have the smallest balcony areas. Now show the kitchen dimensions and areas for the studio type 1 middle apartment. Everything is correct. And the final example is extracting info from infographics. For this example, we will use a global state of business analysis report. Upload the file and ask ChatGPT to pull out the comparisons, numbers, and highlights. For example, with this report, you can prompt show salary by region in a markdown table. ChatGPT will extract and organize the data clearly. But here is one problem to be careful about. Infographic pages often store numbers and labels separately in the PDF text layer, so when data is extracted, it may come out of the order. The solution is to use a more specific prompt. For example, when analyzing this PDF, do not rely on raw text extraction, scan info as image too. Check for tables, charts, or infographic style layouts where labels and numbers might be separated or out of order. Reconstruct the data logically and verify consistency before presenting results. If the structure is unclear, flag the uncertainty and either ask me for clarification or present alternative interpretation instead of making assumptions. Good news, you can find this prompt under the video. We would love to hear from you. If you have good use cases with PDFs and ChatGPT, please share them in the comment section so we can all try them out together. So here is what we have learned. ChatGPT can turn messy, time-consuming PDFs into clear insights, whether it's summarizing long texts, breaking down financial reports, explaining floor plans, or extracting data from infographics. If you find this video useful, hit the like button, subscribe to Tech Creators Lab, and share it with someone who could save time with these tips. And don't forget to drop your own PDF use cases in the comments. We would love to test them out and maybe feature them in future videos. And if you want to master smart prompting, check out our other videos on the channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.